Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the VANS PENN collaboration with their ComfyCush slip-on. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown at our way. And again, I just want to thank all our day one subscribers, our existing subscribers. So just a little thank you. We're grateful for all your support. Without you guys, you know, we won't be able to make these videos. So let's get into this review. So today we've got a look at the ComfyCush slip-on in PENN Yellow Orange. For those that don't know, PENN are tennis ball manufacturers from the US. Again, I'm surprised. All I know is Slazenger, Wilson, you know, those big ones that they use in the Grand Slams. Never knew about PENN until this VANS collab, and this was the one that kind of caught our eye at the Oneupreviewz headquarters. These were very tennis ball inspired. We'll show you as soon as we get unboxing. But before that, let's have a look at the details. So we've got this ComfyCush slip-on in yellow orange in a US 8.5. It's a European 41, and it's a UK 7.5. And here we go. Like the other PENN sneakers, these come in a bag that's meant for, well, they were the tennis ball ones, so it's a nice touch for PENN and VANS to have this little bag for all their sneakers. And here we go, look at that. That does remind you of a tennis ball in all that fluorescent yellow glory. Now let's start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. As you can see, it's got the typical waffle print that VANS lovers all know and love. Going along onto the midsole, so it is quite light. I think that is part of the ComfyCush technology that's incorporated in this sneaker. It's a rubber midsole, however, it does kind of feel a bit foamy as well, but it mostly is rubber. As we move along onto the upper, we got predominantly yellow and orange suedes. You can find it on the top here, and it's a little emboss of the checkerboard print that we all know and love from VANS. On the medial side, it's the orange. Quite, I wouldn't say it's really hairy suede, but you got the little grains coming out. Going along onto the lateral side, some leather paneling right there. At the heel, we've got the PENN logo that's stitched on in that fluorescent yellow hit. Ankle support, I mean, these were built for skating, so you've got a nice bit of support there. And all that ComfyCush, as I've mentioned, you can find it in here in that midsole. It is VANS's new sneaker insole technology. We have done a couple in the past, so check those videos out if you want to have our past reviews. So check that out. And yeah, before I forget, you got the VANS off the wall logo at the heel in a very tonal colorway. And I don't know, I said in the Lowlands ComfyCush video that you can put these on your laces, but obviously these are laceless. So I don't know what you're meant to be doing with these little giblets, but you can put it in your pencil. I don't know, up to you guys. If you buy them, use it to your heart's content. That rounds it off with this review. I can't wait to try these on. I'm a big fan of VANS classic slip-ons. So this is the first time I'm going to try them on with a ComfyCush, so hopefully they're really comfy. Roll that footage of me trying them on. So when it comes to the fit, guys, I probably would say get a half size up. I think it's because of the ComfyCush insole. It's raising my feet higher than it should be, because I feel like the top of my feet is just really pushing against the top. But in regards to the length and overall fit, my toes are where it should be. But in regards to giving yourself a bit of give a little bit of room, a tiny bit more comfortable, get a half size up maybe. I mean, you were going to sacrifice some space at the top, but yeah, maybe wear thick socks. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time.